What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing Homegoods queen Homegoods haul. I found some really good smaller items that I wanted to share with you guys to help with organization, kitchen, and all around home decor. I got a few items for my home office area and some really good stuff for the kitchen. Also some items to help you DIY and a large amazing furniture piece. So if you are interested in seeing this Homegoods queen Homegoods haul, then just keep watching. Alright guys, we're going to start out with the first item, and that is this adorable little oil dispenser. I actually found this at Homegoods as well, and it was for like to set appetizers on, but I love the little wood feet. So I put my regular vegetable oil and then olive oil on it, and then I'm going to get a, when I find the right shape, a wood cutting board to go behind it, just give it some depth and dimension. So this is going to be my little setup here, and on this side we have the infamous Studio McGee utensil holder, well, planter as utensil holder. And then this is the one that I DIY. This is actually an old one from Crate and Barrel. So if you have an old one, as you can see here, you can make it look very similar. And then I have my little salt and pepper from Hearth and Hand. Okay, right next are pitchers. I have found some really good classic pitchers for a super affordable price. This one was $6.99, and then this is the bigger version. I think that one was $9.99. And then this textured one, which I have shown in the past before, I just love them. This happens to be some ginger lemonade that I make. You can put juices in here, teas, water, whatever you want, but I just love to have a couple of different pitchers for when I have people come over, or to keep things stored in the fridge. It's so aesthetically pleasing and so cute and fun. A different way to have drinks in your fridge. So super affordable, so keep your eye peeled. These are always in the cup plate section of HomeGoods. Okay, next is moss. I've told you guys, at home, HomeGoods, all of those stores have them, but this texture and color is my favorite, and I found a bag of it, so I just bought the whole thing. This is the brand. It was only 14 bucks, and I'm telling you, this is so much. When you start getting it out and playing with it, it's a lot. It is how I finished off that bowl over there, and I absolutely love it. I think it's phenomenal and super duper affordable. This bag is huge, so don't let the frame fool you. It is a ton for 14 bucks. Next is this amazing piece right here, you guys. I was so excited when I found this. It was literally love at first sight. I think it's super affordable, super beautiful, and matches so many home decor themes. So apparently this comes in multiple styles. This is one. It also comes in a round end table, and then it also comes in a 3-arch version, so a smaller version. This one is allegedly the largest one. It was $2.99, and then this one over here was $200. So pretty comparable in size. I would say the only difference is this one's a lot heavier. It's got the marble on the top. But I love everything about it. The color, the wash, the size, the style, everything is perfection. And for under $300, you seriously cannot beat it. I, as a few of you know, had to almost get in a brawl with somebody over this. Long story short, I was able to get it, thank God. Didn't get taken out from underneath me. I know that happens sometimes, so you really have to be careful when you are going to HomeGoods to make sure that when you tell them you want this, you wait and watch for them to bring it up front, because you never know what can happen. So anyways, I love it. I put my driftwood down here, got my little setup here with my candles and my geode bowl. This is my favorite candle holder from World Market. And then my little wick cutting set from HomeGoods. So very nice. My favorite piece I have gotten from them in such a long time, and I cannot wait to see how it looks when I get a lighter color couch. So I'm manifesting that right now, as I think it will complete this living room. So here we are with this beautiful console table. I also wanted to do an update on the pillows. These are amazing. I love them. I got this one most recently, and you guys, the texture on this is amazing. You know, I'm all about some texture. It honestly is very similar to this other favorite that I have. It's not as woven. I guess it's more textured than woven, but very similar. It is large and oversized. It has these beautiful stripes down the middle, and the reason I love it most is because of the color. It's like a true off-white bone color. I feel like, especially trying to get a new couch, I want to make sure that the pillows that I get are going to match that aesthetic and color perfectly, and these do. I also got these. These are like a velour zigzag pattern, again with that bone off-white color, and then I paired them with these, which you know are my favorite. They are the same ones that I have upstairs in my filming room. They're just a different pattern. And then these, oh my gosh, they're so soft. All of these are bigger, oversized sizes. They're not going to be the smaller sizes like these. I guess these aren't small. They're not going to be the medium sizes like these. They're going to be the oversized, like 26-inch, I believe. I can measure them and put it down below, but they're going to be that type of size. So not as big as a Euro, but not as small as your like standard medium-sized pillows. They are definitely more of an oversized pillow. I tried to get a second one for over here. However, I have not been successful. Instead, I just put this off-white colored one in front, but we are hoping to update the color of this couch, same shape, just in a more light beige color. So I think once that happens, these will go so well, and I'm so excited to have them as a part of my collection because I feel like you can never have enough pillows. I know people think that's crazy, but you interchange them so much, they can make such a big difference in your space, and they're super affordable. So my collection's quite large, but I love all of them. And last but not least, I got this little gem for my husband. It's this cute little modern astronaut. I got it for him to put on his desktop, and it ties in so well with his little theme that he has going on here. It's super cute, very modern and chic, and it just adds a little bit of decor to his space. So don't forget to check out little items like this to add for a good shelf piece or to a desk. All right, you guys, that wraps up this Homegoods Queen Homegoods haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything that I can in the description box down below that is similar until Homegoods gets their online platform. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.